I am going to find magnetic field due to a current element. What is current element? Now in this wire, if we cut a small portion, very small portion, this much portion is known as current element. Now the length of this small portion is dl, and from here, from this wire, in any arbitrary point, if I take point A, now on this point the magnetic field produced by this wire will be, which I am going to now calculate. That how we will find that in this point the magnetic field produced by this wire. Now from here I will draw one line. Sorry. Now the distance from this arbitrary point and the wire is r. The angle which it makes with the wire is theta. Now I am going to calculate the magnetic field due to a current element. This is the wire I have taken. This small much portion I have assumed, and this portion is known as current element, and the length of this current element is dl. From here I have taken an arbitrary point A. The distance from the arbitrary point and this wire is r. It makes an angle of theta with this wire. The arbitrary point makes an angle theta with this wire. Now as I have taken here dl amount, means dl of the length, so the magnetic field produced by this small portion will be dB. So that dB is directly proportional to dl. It is directly proportional to the amount of current flowing through this wire. It is directly proportional to sin theta. Now why it is sin theta? Because on the axis of this wire the magnetic field becomes 0. When we come perpendicular to it, value of magnetic field increases. So we have taken here sin theta, and it is inversely proportional to square of the distance between the arbitrary point and the wire. As we know that when we remove any proportional, we have to give one constant. So the constant is here k. dB is equals to k dl I sin theta by r square. Now what is about this constant? Value of this constant k is mu naught by 4 pi. What is mu naught? Permittivity of free space. It has a standard value 10 to the power minus 7. Newton per ampere square. Okay. Now what's about the direction? Now to find the direction of magnetic field, we have two methods. One is right hand thumb rule and another one is screw rule. This sign means inwards and dot sign means outwards. Using screw rule dl cross r. Now here I am using right hand thumb rule. How to find the direction? The current is flowing in this wire in this direction. So I will put my thumb in this direction. Now I will rotate my fingers. It is rotating inwards, means the direction is inwards. And if the current was flowing in this direction, from this direction, so if I keep my thumb here, it is, so if I rotate my fingers, this one fingers, it is showing outward, means the direction is outwards. The direction of magnetic field is outwards. Now what unit of magnetic field intensity? Newton by ammeter. It is also known as Tesla. So thank you. This is all about Biot Savart's law. Om Namah Shivaya.